Assalamualaikum friends, I know Yuri always quite well. Here is pizza creator. Total element is 900 plus and in 3.28 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you so you can easy download. Here is pizza creator, cheese and meat, pepper, vegetables, fish and mix. 1.43 GB of this folder. Here is pizza creator, just writing the plate, double click, 1.43 GB. Okay, here is 5 plates, 5 bread and 5 cheese extra and egg, ham, shrimp, salami, Italian, okay, cut, onion, anything. So here is plate 203, missing. Fast is good. And here is bread, 5 breads. Wow, you see bread, amazing. Wow. And next is what is this? Oh, that means you can make your own full pizza. So I tell you just an example. You can make okay now, and next is waiting format. Wow, all files are editable. Now to pepper, wow, enter. So you can drag and drop anywhere when you make a pizza. Here is vegetable, 352 MB file size, tomato, cauliflower, oh, spoons of powder, I think. Opening progress, okay, wow, amazing. Okay, I know you can adjust anywhere if you like. That means these are editable file. And password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri scan Pino in $2.99. Take care, Allah Hafiz.